This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Bryce C. Jones, PC, broker less than bedroom greater than ABR, CRS, EPRO, GRI, RSPS, SFR. Tucked away on a quiet lane near the Deschutes River, 8 Thrush Lane is a beautifully maintained home that isn't in a rental program. This reverse living floor plan has a great room design with a wonderfully updated master suite upstairs. There is also a very private wraparound deck, perfect on summer evenings with friends or morning coffee with a good book. It's like having your own private treehouse. Downstairs has an additional living space and 2 comfortable guest rooms. The Deschutes River and Cardinal landing bridge, with access to National Forest, are only about half block away. Situated on a large lot, there is still room to put your imagination to work. Think outdoor living area. If you've been looking for a home that has been loved and